Hey everybody, it's Michael from Nagios, and today I'll be going over how to use reports in Nagios Network Analyzer. Reports are a powerful way you can send your already created dashboards out on a consistent, scheduled basis to the recipients of your choosing. Whether that be daily traffic summaries, compliance snapshots, or just your network data at a particular time that you want to send out. Reports make this quick, simple, and hands-free to do so. Now let's take a look at Nagios Network Analyzer's homepage to see how to get started. Now to get started with reports in Nagios Network Analyzer, you'll first need a custom dashboard. If you don't know how to use dashboards, you can check out our YouTube video going over understanding dashboards or our documentation as well. But once you have one made, you can go to the Reports tab on the left, where you'll be able to search through created reports, as well as create new reports. Now there are a couple different options when it comes to creating the report. You can first set the name of the report, select the particular dashboard you want to send out as the report. We'll do the dashboard we just saw. You can change the format from PDF or JPEG. Select the recipients, which is just the email address of the users that you want to send this out to. And then for scheduling, there's a couple different options, varying from minutes, hours, days, weeks, month, quarter, yearly, and then custom expressions as well. You select the particular time, as well as whether to disable or enable this report upon creation. When done, hit Submit. Now, after creating a report, you can enable it and disable it by this bar on the left. Or, if you want to edit it, you can change the options here, or delete it as well. Now, additionally, if you want to get the report immediately, you can select the report name, which will bring you to the dashboard, and then you can select the download button here, and then choose PDF or JPEG. Additionally, you can choose to schedule out a report from the dashboard by choosing the schedule button here, where you'll be met with the same options as the report screen. And when you're done, you should be able to see all your reports populated on the Reports tab. And that's it. You now should be able to create, manage, schedule, and download reports in Nagios Network Analyzer. With these reports, you should be able to get an automated insight into your network data for you and your team, all without having to do any work. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, please check out our YouTube channel for more content. Or if you need help with any of our products, visit support.nagios.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep on monitoring.